Hello folks, this is Lucas and I'm going to show you and share with you how I use the rubric function on Google Classroom to help me save a lot of time. I'm going to do it with a participation sheet, but you can do it with writing assignments, anything you actually have to grade. So as you can see, I'm in our Thomas Teacher Net folder where we have all the participation sheets for teens 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna do it with a Teens 3 group of mine. So this is the PDF that is shared with us. I believe there's a Google Doc of it also, but instead of doing it in a Google Doc where I would have to write the numbers and then add them up to get the final sum at the end, I just use the rubric function on Google Classroom. So let me show you how it works. This is my Teens 3 Google Classroom. And what I do is I make an assignment, which is not really an assignment. It's just a participation grade place where they will go to check their grade. I do it in this section. So as you can see, this is it, participation grade part 2. And then these are the rubrics for participation 2. So what I did was I just copied all the content from this PDF to the rubrics. And then you can see all the criteria. Let me just close them all so you see them. And then I made the items according to what Sylvia did here for us. All of them. And then the only thing I changed was to add some different levels here so I could have the whole range from 5 to 0, right? So I would have the choice. And then how this works is like this. When I made the assignment, let me click on it so you see it. It works just like our writing assignment for the classic courses when you make a copy for each student. So each student has has this PDF, which they won't really be able to do anything with it. But let me show you Benicio's PDF. When Benicio enters this PDF, he will be able, actually, when he clicks on View Assignment, he will be able to see the rubric. But for us teachers, this is how it works. When I click on his assignment, I have the side menu with all the items, all the criteria. And I have already done it. As you can see, I clicked on the score I believed Benicio deserved. And then the nice thing is that Google Classroom does the math for you. So if you think that he deserves 3 points and you click here, as you can see, you don't have to add them up at the end. It's going to do it by itself. Okay, let me show you another student. This one is Enzo, and I've started doing it. So as you can see, I haven't finished it, but as I do it, Google Classroom will add the numbers to have his final grade for you. Okay, now let me just go back to Google Classroom and show you how it's done. When you are in the assignment, let me edit it, right, so you can see it. You are making the assignment, you added the participation sheet PDF, right? As an assignment, you selected make a copy for each student. And then down here, you will be able to click on something like create rubric. I don't remember what the button is now, but because now I've already created it. But it's super simple to do, guys. You just click on create rubric, and then you start copying and pasting everything here into the rubric, and then you save it at the end. Okay, now if you teach Teens 3 and you don't want to go through this work, you can just let me know and I will add you as a co-teacher here. So then you can just reuse this assignment into your classroom. And Hi, sorry, I just reached the limit of 5 minutes, so let me just finish it. So if you want, I can add you as a co-teacher, if you are a Teams 3 teacher, and then you could just reuse this assignment. And you would, by reusing the assignment, you also reuse the rubrics. So you don't have to go through this whole work again. You can just do that, okay? Let me know if I can help. Thank you guys for watching. This is it.